want to log in into your LinkedIn, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, open the website here. So once you are on your web browser, you have to just go for the new page. And on the home page, here you have to just go and write the www.linkedin.com. So once you are here, you have to enter your credential with your email or phone number, or here you can see that. If you are a new joinee, you have to just go for the new join now. If you have already an account, you have to click on the sign in option. Once you are here, you have to just go and continue with your Google account here and just go for the confirm option. After that, you will be successfully logging to your LinkedIn account on your web browser. So this way, you can start using your LinkedIn to manage your profile, connect with others, and view job listing here. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.